Brad Williams, XL Prime. What we're going to do here, we're going to compute the interest rate on a $200,000 whatever for 20 years, annual payments of $5,500. That's critical. Otherwise, we could make a mess of this thing if we're thinking monthly when the computation is annual. Annual payment, 200 grand, 5,500, 20 payments. We're going to use this rate function by XL. This is just an annuity payment. It's a simple, straightforward finance 101, but we're not going down that road because this is not a finance course. If you want the details of this, go to my corporate finance website, Bradley Corporate Finance. If you want to dive deep into finance, check it out. It's a crappy website that I'm working on. The whole thing will be on video at some point in time. It was something I did long ago, and I really thought everyone in the world that knew finance would be able to comprehend. And, well, anyway. Back on topic. Rate function. Here, we have a number, we have a payment, we have a present value, future value, optional. Type, guess. Well, never, ever use this. Ever. That's just one of those, oh, I don't even want to address that. Here is the layout. Over here, I'm just walking you through this short narrative. C7 is the number of periods. We already know the number of periods is 20. C6, the payment, $5,500. Present value, C4, 0. So future value, that's the 200 grand that we're paying money. Paying money. C5 is the 200 grand. There's the answer, 5.89. On the other hand, and I'm sure I have an example somewhere, if you want to do this on a monthly basis, divide this by 12 and multiply this times 12. Okay? You're going to get 5.51%. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.